How to increase wheel weight. In this video, I will explain how to increase the wheel weight of your crawling RC car. This is a cheap and easy way to improve the traction and performance of your car. The materials used are metal wheels and iron weights wrapped around the wheel rims. I will use weights used to balance the wheels of real cars. The back of the wheel weight is a strong double-sided tape made of butyl rubber. As shown on the screen, simply attach the wheel weights to the wheel rims. It's very easy. The wheel weighs 102.3 grams before the weights are applied. Each weight weighs 5 grams. Let's try it now. I successfully attached 14 weights to a 19-inch wheel. Let's measure the weight of the wheel after attaching the weights. The weight of the wheel is now 174 grams. The weight has increased by 72 grams per wheel. There was a 2 grams margin of error between the before and after measurements. We apologize for any inconvenience. 4 wheel weights can increase the weight by 288 grams. This method allows you to install the wheel without cutting the tire foam. Of course, you don't need expensive brass wheel rims. To prevent the sponge inside the tire from shifting, knead it well. Finally, secure the wheel on both sides with screws. How was it? It was easy to increase the weight of the wheel. Thank you for watching all the way to the end.